guys, my name is James and I'm the founder of D.LAB Design Laboratories. D.LAB focuses on delivering good contract manufacturing services, adopting a 360 approach to design, product development, manufacturing and logistics. And the importance of turning ideas into reality in a safe and predictable manner amidst the complexities of sourcing and production. We don't just sell our services. Our priority is first to understand our customers' pain points, objectives and requirements, and deliver a clear and sound solution to solve them.
I knew D.LAB about 10 years ago. At that point of time, I was working in Canon. I was one of the marketeers over there. Every IT show is a very big event for us, and we were sourcing for great products that goes really well with the printers that we are selling. James, the founder of D.LAB, he actually came to the Canon office with a very big bag. He came with a lot of items, so there was a variety for us to choose. Finally, we decided on the D.LAB wireless headphone. It was a desirable product for our target audience. We placed an order immediately. Throughout the process, the lead time, James keep us updated of the process, the delivery, and it actually arrived just in time for an IT show. Apart from that, the packaging looks really premium too. It really makes our customers feel that it's a product that they want to bring home. So all in all, we are very satisfied with this project that we have done with D.LAB. The service was excellent and the product was really, really good as well. So if you ask me whether will I work with D.LAB again, I would say yes, definitely.